watching it. There's my toe. I'm gonna blip the throttle. My foot is off the gas. There's my toe. I'm not giving it any gas. Again, my toe. I'm gonna blip the throttle. There's my blip. Not hitting the gas. Okay, I'm gonna blip. That was my blip. I'm off. No check engine lights. I'm not giving it any gas. Just don't know what to do. Pretty sure I have a vacuum leak, but I don't even know where to start anymore. I replaced a bunch of stuff already.